Of course, the following are 20 extraordinary realities about the global space station. 1. The Worldwide Space Station (ISS) is the biggest human-made object in space. It is up to a football field and weighs around 925,000 pounds. 2. The ISS circles the Earth at a height of around 250 miles, going at a speed of 17,500 miles each hour. This implies that the ISS makes one circle around the Earth at regular intervals. 3. The ISS is a joint undertaking between 5 space organizations: NASA, US, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada. 4. The ISS is the most costly item at any point worked, with an expected expense of more than $150 billion bucks. 5. The ISS has been consistently involved by people since November 2000, making it the longest non-stop human presence in space. 6. The ISS is furnished with a cutting-edge lab that is utilized for logical exploration in various fields, including material science, and medication. 7. The ISS has a group of up to 6 individuals at some random time. These team individuals come from everywhere the world and remain on the ISS for around a half year at a time. 8. The ISS is the main spot where people can reside and work in space for expanded timeframes. 9. The ISS is furnished with cutting-edge life-emotionally supportive networks that reuse air and water, permitting the group to live and work in space for extensive stretches of time. 10. The ISS is noticeable from Earth with the unaided eye and can frequently be seen passing above around evening time. It shows up as a brilliant, moving place of light overhead. 11. The ISS has a sum of 16 compressed modules, including living quarters, research centers, and different offices for the group. 12. The ISS is outfitted with a mechanical arm called Canadarm2, which is utilized to move and ship hardware and supplies. 13. The ISS is continually changing and advancing, with new modules and hardware being added consistently to work on its abilities. 14. The ISS isn't positioned in a decent area in space. However, all things being equal, it is in a consistent condition of fast drop around the Earth. This implies that it is continuously falling towards the Earth yet pushing ahead so quick that it never draws any nearer. 15. The ISS encounters 16 dawns and nightfalls consistently on account of its quick circle around the Earth. 16. Space explorers living on the ISS need to practice for something like 2 hours per day to forestall muscle and bone misfortune brought about by the weightlessness of room. 17. The ISS is furnished with a window called the vault, which gives a 360-degree perspective on space and Earth. 18. The ISS is a stage for global collaboration in space investigation, with space explorers from various nations cooperating on logical exploration and space missions. 19. The ISS has been utilized as an area for shooting films and network programs, including the film Gravity and an episode of